Why is crypto down today? October 29, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume stands at $171 billion, showing a modest uptick despite broad declines across major assets. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 2 hours ago. The global cryptocurrency market is down today, with total market capitalization falling 1.6% to $3.89 trillion, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume stands at $171 billion, showing a modest uptick despite broad declines across major assets. Key takeaways. The global crypto market cap fell 1.6% to $3.89 trillion. Bitcoin dropped 2% to $112,859, as Ethereum declined 3% to $3,991. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index fell back to 39. Fear. Bitwise Solana ETF drew $69.5 million in debut inflows. The Fed is expected to cut rates by 25 basis points today. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs logged $202.48 million inflows. Ethereum ETFs saw even stronger inflows at $246.02 million. Trump Media's Truth Social partnered with Crypto.com to launch prediction markets. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, Bitcoin, BTC, is down 1.5% over the past 24 hours, trading at $112,859. Ethereum, ETH, has slipped 3% to $3,991. BNB fell 2.1% to $1,111, and Dogecoin, Doge, dropped 3.1% to $0.1939, marking one of the steepest losses among the top 10. XRP was the only major asset in the green, rising 0.5% to $2.64. Solana SOL edged down 1.9% to $196.34. Among the top 100 tokens, only a handful are up. Diverge Loop, Diver, leads today's gainers, soaring 88.5%, while VUTLSIG, VUT, dropped 31.9%, making it one of the biggest decliners in the market. ENSO, ArcBlock, and Chainopera AI are the most trending coins over the past day, leading conversations across the market. Meanwhile, Bitwise Asset Management's newly launched spot Solana ETF is seeing strong investor appetite, recording $69.5 million in inflows on its first trading day. The figure is nearly 6 times the $12 million debut haul of its closest competitor, the Rex Osprey Solana Staking ETF, SSK. According to data from Farside, Fed rate cut looms. Crypto on edge as markets await liquidity signals. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to announce a 25 basis point rate cut today, lowering its benchmark range to 3.75% to 4% as markets brace for signals on future liquidity moves. Traders are also watching for hints that the Fed could slow or halt balance sheet runoff, a shift that would inject liquidity into financial markets. The dollar has softened amid growing expectations of a broader easing cycle. BitGet CEO Gracie Chun said markets are on a knife edge between hope and hesitation, noting that a dovish Fed could lift risk assets like crypto, while a hawkish tone could trigger a quick pullback. The decision and press conference by Fed Chair Jerome Powell at 2 p.m. Eastern Time will be closely parsed for clues on policy direction. According to BitGet chief analyst Ryan Lee, a rate cut could drive 5% to 10% short-term rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum as lower borrowing costs boost risk appetite. He added that capital could rotate into altcoins such as Solana, SOL, and XRP, further enhancing crypto's appeal as a growth and inflation hedge. Beyond the Fed, this week's macro backdrop includes the Bank of Japan's policy meeting and earnings from big tech giants, including Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta. levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $112,760, showing a mild 0.15% decline over the past 24 hours. BTC traded sideways through most of the session, reaching an intraday high near $113,800 before dipping to a low around $111,900. A decisive breakout above $115,000 could pave the way for a move toward $118,200 and $121,000, signaling renewed bullish momentum. However, failure to hold above $112,000 may open the door for a retest of the $110,500 support zone, where buying interest previously emerged. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading at $3,986, up 0.16% in the past 24 hours. ETH touched a session high of around $4,050 before briefly pulling back to $3,920. If ETH breaks above $4,100, it could challenge the $4,250 and $4,400 resistance levels. On the downside, a drop below $3,900 could push the price toward $3,750, with further weakness potentially testing the $3,600 zone. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has slipped back into the fear zone, with the crypto fear and greed index standing at 39, down from 42, neutral, yesterday. Compared to last week's reading of 29, fear, sentiment has improved modestly but remains subdued. The index continues to show hesitation, highlighting a market still recovering from recent volatility and lacking clear bullish momentum. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw $202.48 million in net inflows on October 28, marking another strong day for institutional demand. The cumulative total net inflow now stands at $62.34 billion, with a total value traded of $4.18 billion and $154.81 billion in total net assets, representing 6.88% of Bitcoin's market cap, according to data from Soso Value. Out of the 12 ETFs, 3 recorded positive inflows. ARK and 21 shares, ARKB, led with $75.84 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC at $67.05 million, and BlackRock's IBIT with $59.60 million. Likewise, spot Ethereum ETFs saw a strong rebound in demand on October 28, recording $246.02 million in net inflows, ending their brief slowdown. The cumulative total net inflow has now risen to $14.73 billion, according to data from Soso Value. Out of the 9 listed ETFs, 4 posted positive inflows, while only 1 recorded minor outflows. Fidelity's FETH led the day with $99.27 million, followed by BlackRock's ETHA with $76.37 million and Grayscale's ETH with $73.03 million. Meanwhile, Trump Media and Technology Group, the parent company of Truth Social, has announced a new partnership with Crypto.com that will bring prediction markets to the social media platform, positioning it as the first publicly traded social media company to integrate such technology. The collaboration, made through Crypto.com's U.S. affiliate, Crypto.com Derivatives North America, CDNA, will allow Truth Social users to trade on the outcomes of real-world events ranging from elections and economic data to sports and commodities. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of SOL, XRP, BNB by the end of October 2025. Gemini AI predicts the price of BTC, SOL, XRP by the end of 2025. Alibaba's CoinAI with explosive 3-month XRP price prediction. Could XRP hit $4.20 by January 2026? Why is crypto down today? October 28, 2025. Alibaba's CoinAI predicts the price of XRP, Doge, and SOL for November 2025. Bitcoin news. France stuns Europe. Could lawmakers adopt Bitcoin and ban digital euro? 17 hours ago. By Hassan Shitu. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Government shutdown delays Ripple ETF decisions. But Osprey accumulates, Is XRP going to hit $3 this week? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Outpacing other altcoins, XRP closes week up 11.4%. Momentum building? 3 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 21 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025, by Ben Beto.